Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Simply Lori. My name is Lori and I'm a Saint makeup artist. I'm so excited that you're here and I'm so excited that your makeup has come in the mail. In this video, I'm going to walk you through unpackaging your mail and your first application. The beginner compact comes with a compact, 4 tins, and a brush. Okay, so this is the 3D brush. This is the brush that I normally recommend to people. The detail brush is awesome as well, and I will recommend that one as well. So we're going to start out with your compact, your one compact, and what you will do is take the tin, and the tin has a removable lid. So this is my contour. So we're going to start by putting the contour in first because that's what I typically put on first. So I'm going to take the tin and I'm going to stick it in like that, and it just magnetizes right to the compact. Okay, next one is I'm going to use my brightening highlight. So again, I'm going to take it out of the tin and stick it in my compact, just like that, and so forth. So the next tin is my main highlight, and we will go through where they all go. And this is my lip and cheek. All right, okay, so there we go. I've got it set up and I go from left to right. I've got my contour, my brightening highlight, my main highlight, and my lip and cheek. Okay, so you can start using a brush, or if you want, using your finger, a clean finger for application is good when you're first starting out, because you can make sure that you're not putting on too much. So less is more. You don't want to put on a lot of makeup. You don't need a lot of cream product. It's going to cover so well. So I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to start with my contour. The contour goes on your forehead. The contour is going to create the shadows. It's usually a cool color. So you want a shadow on your forehead. We're going to put a shadow on our cheekbones, and this will help emphasize them and lift them. Okay, so from the big, just under your eye to the top of your ear. Okay, and if you make a mistake, don't worry, this makeup blends so well. Okay, this third application for your contour is going to go on your chin, and this is going to create a chiseled jawline. Okay, so I'm going to just leave it like that so you can see where everything goes, and we're going to blend it in. Secondly, I'm going to take my brightening highlight, and this goes down the center of your face, and this just creates a brightness, and that's where their eyes are going to be centered to, is your middle of your face. Okay, so forehead, down the nose, on my lip, on my chin, and down by my eyes. You can put it here as well. It's really up to you. You'll get used to it. Don't worry. Okay, now I'm going to take my main highlight, and that goes everywhere where I haven't put contour and brightener. And this is basically going to cover up the redness, any blemishes, and just even out your skin tone. Okay, and look, again, I'm not putting a whole lot of makeup on. I'm just dabbing it in. And there you go. So that's the three main colors: the contour, the brightening highlight, and the main. So I'm going to take my 3D brush and I'm going to start blending. Okay, I usually go from light to dark, leaving my contour to the last, just so that I don't blend it in and lose that the shadow. Okay, so just keep blending. And you're going to see how my skin tone evens out, and it blends so well that you shouldn't even be able to tell that you're wearing makeup. Okay. All right. It's hard to see. I'm doing it in a phone. And okay, now I'm going to start with my contour and just blend it up into the hairline. And now remember, when I first got my makeup, I had to do this a few times before I remembered where everything went. Also, when I color match you, I will send something like this in the email, and it will be a guide so that you can kind of have a look at where things go. I know when I first got my mail, I had to look at this quite a few times before I figured it out. But after 2 or 3 times, I knew where everything went. Okay, so just blend your contour up. You don't want to pull it down. You want to lift that cheekbone. Okay. And don't overblend or then you won't see it. So just gently just blend it up. Okay, now this is the contour on my jawline, and this will create a chiseled jawline look. Kind of just pull it down a little bit. Okay, and you know what? We're almost done, you guys. Okay. And again, don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. I can walk you through the application. We can FaceTime, whatever you need. I'm here to help you. Okay, and here's my lip and cheek. Just dabbing it on my cheekbone. I did do a reel the other day, and it showed for placement for your blush, put your finger at your nose and your finger up to your ear, and dab your brush into your blush, and just put the blush into that pocket. Okay, pull it away, and you can see how lifted my cheekbones look just by placing that contour and that blush right in the perfect spot. Okay, we're almost done. I'm going to take my lip and cheek, add it to my lips. This isn't a color that I normally wear on my lips, but I love it on my cheeks. I'm quite a dark color. I have dark features, so I need a darker lip and cheek. So I'm going to put on my favorite, Black Cherry. Okay, so I hope this tutorial has helped. I know it's overwhelming trying out a new makeup, especially, you know, depending if you haven't worn makeup forever, like myself, it was a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, it's so easy and it's quick. And if you have any trouble at all, message me. I'm here to help you. So anyway, I hope this helped, and have a good day. Bye.